not a problem of the future. It is a reality shaping our world today. Across continents and oceans, we are witnessing rising temperatures, stronger storms, extreme heat, floods, and droughts. These events are no longer rare. They are becoming the new normal. Climate change refers to long-term changes in Earth's temperature and weather patterns. Scientific research confirms that the main cause of today's climate change is human activity. The burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas releases greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat and warm the planet through what is known as the greenhouse effect. Since the industrial era, the Earth's average temperature has increased by more than 1 degree Celsius. This small rise has powerful consequences. It disrupts ecosystems, affects food production, threatens water supplies, and increases risk to human health and safety. Many countries, especially developing nations, climate change brings even greater challenges. In the Philippines, stronger typhoons, flooding, landslides, and prolonged droughts threaten lives and livelihoods. Farmers struggle with unpredictable weather, while fisherfolk face declining fish populations as coral reefs degrade. Although the country contributes only a small amount to global greenhouse gas emissions, it remains highly vulnerable to climate impacts. Despite these challenges, climate change is not an unsolvable crisis. Science provides clear and effective solutions. Transitioning to renewable energy, such as solar and wind, can significantly reduce emissions. Protecting forests, mangroves, and ocean helps absorb carbon while strengthening natural defenses against disasters. Limiting the worst impacts of climate change requires urgent action. Experts emphasize that global emissions must be reduced within this decade to secure a safer future. Every year of delay increases the risk for future generations. Climate action is a shared responsibility. Governments must implement strong environmental policies and invest in climate-resilient communities. Industries must adopt cleaner technologies. Communities must protect their natural resources. And individuals, especially the youth, must stay informed, speak out, and make sustainable choices. The decisions we make today will determine the world we inherit tomorrow. Climate change challenges us not only to understand the science, but to act with responsibility and compassion. There is still time to protect our planet. The question is not whether we can act, but whether we will. The future depends on what we do now.